Absolutely lovely channel How To. Today I'm gonna show you a method where you can earn money while browsing, nothing to do extra. As usual, you browse and you get money and paid. So let's get started without further ado. The only tool you require to earn money right now is Brave. Brave is the most secure, fast and private web browser. It is more faster than Chrome. If you haven't seen this listing of private browsers, search engines on my Instagram handle, this is my Instagram handle and you can go follow there and keep a like, leave a like out there so that I get motivated and give out more information about tech on your fingertips rather than in videos. So you can get faster. So this is a 3x faster browser than Chrome. It has got lot of ad blockers which let you seamlessly browse and take control on your content and your searches. It avoids harmful ads which can harm your computer or mobiles. So getting to the point how you can earn money through browsing is, here we go. Make starting money, you got to use this product. You got to download this browser and you got to start browsing. So let's click on the download button and head over to download page. So it's here, download Brave for Windows 64-bit. If you got a Mac or iOS device, you can get iOS out here, and you can see it's out here, iOS. You're gonna download this one, start the download, and it's just a launcher. You're gonna launch and install. It takes a couple of seconds just. So let's open up the installer now. File that you got downloaded, the automatically launcher starts up and starts installing your Brave browser. We are going to wait for a couple of minutes. So the installation is complete and you can see the Brave browser opens up. You can experience the UI a bit, take the welcome tour, and you can also import your old bookmarks and settings if you want to import, or you can just skip the welcome tour. And by skipping the welcome tour, here we go, we have got this is Brave and how it looks in its first glance. Here it shows on the top left corner its trackers and ads that it blocks, and how many seconds, how many hours, minutes you have saved the time by avoiding the ads that Brave has blocked. So you got the cryptocurrencies over there. I don't get understand about this something, and it gives you a news feed out there in the bottom. And what's next is how you're gonna earn money. So you're gonna earn money by, here we go. Before even getting into the earning perspective, I would like to show you how secure and private is Brave. Suppose I have logged on to a Business Insider website. It's same as in Indian website on the both the things. It's Chrome out here, it's Brave out here. So you can see when you search upon, you'll first find a result of ad on Chrome, whereas you will find the content you want on Brave. And suppose when you click on this article, both the articles you get open. Sometimes you may get an ad over here again, and when you scroll down you get advertisement over here again, whereas in Brave you don't get an advertisement. If you can see, you can browse freely. Here we go, another advertisement, devastating and making you away from your content. So here you can get another advertisement, but Brave is blocking it from you. So you can see that Brave have already blocked 16 cross-site trackers and creepy things on Business Insider for you. You can also see this pop-up ad, small ones on this Chrome thing, but you don't see on Brave. See how clean is Brave. And you can also see this ad which is missing over here. You get a pure content on Brave when you use Brave. When you use Chrome, you get all these advertisements. So here it's another important thing which makes Brave stand out from Chrome. So now let's get to the main thing. Blocker has 46 blockers and have saved 1.3 MB and 3 seconds of time. And you get the point. Why does a browser pay you when you browse? What's the complexity of this? When you browse, if you're gonna see ads, then Brave is gonna pay you. It totally depends on you. When you click over here, it's Brave rewards. you can just go reward settings, and once you have agreement on the terms and service, start using, and it can give a quick tour, but skip it. I'm gonna give you one. You can see BAT. What does BAT mean? BAT means basics attention tokens, which will be given by Brave when you watch an ad. You can enable ads out here, and it will pay as how many ads you will see. The next payment day will be March 6, as it is billed monthly, and it will be billed monthly or like maybe a week. You can see how many ads if you gonna, it will load up your wallet out here. With this wallet you can pay to streamers, creators, content givers online through YouTube and other things. You can also save this and get into your PayPal things, and you can redeem for gift cards. So to get into your PayPal things, I will show you how you can get this into a PayPal account. You'll be required to collect 25 bats to withdraw your funds into your PayPal account. So here are the three ways how you can earn. You can add funds, or you can earn tokens by viewing ads, and occasionally you will be offered free tokens from Brave for using it. So now let's see how many bat is $1. So getting one basic attention token, it's $0.54. If you get 5 basic attention tokens, you get $2 for nothing, just watching ads. So here we go, how exchange does this go. Yeah, one basic attention token is $0.414, which we convert into INR for Indians. Let's go, Indians. Indians get paid 30 rupees if you get one bat. That's amazing. You get just do nothing, scroll all the day, watch ads, and you get 30 rupees per view, per ad. That's what I wanted to make you use this secure browser, private browser, privacy browser, which gives you amazing security over your content and searches and blocks the ads and trackers. So that's all for this videos. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates on tech. Adios amigos, tata, bye.